Hello students, welcome back to Dr.Noor Jahan channel. So today we are trying to explore the world of management with Dr. Noor. Hope you are having good knowledge about various aspects of management now. Today I am here to teach you the last part of my chapter 3, that is organization. I think we have done more than 10 videos on organization alone to bring every organization aspect to you in detail. So today we have come to the last part of it, that is called as organization design. You have joined a new company and the manager will ask you, can you design an organization structure for our company? Or there is a structure, I wanted to have changes in that. Can you modify it and give it to me? What will you do if you don't know how to design organization? So that is what I am teaching you today, how to design an organization structure, right? So organization design, how to do that. So that is what I am teaching you in this section. So before we start with the class, let me request you to subscribe my channel. Hope all of you have subscribed to my channel and you are sharing my videos. Please don't forget to share my videos, like my videos and watch complete video to have an understanding about this particular aspect, right? Hoping that you're going to do that and you're going to support wholeheartedly my channel so that my channel should come up well, and my dream of making each one of you as the best manager of your own life and of any organization you join. You should lead the life more systematically, so the dream of mine will will become a truth if you share my videos to others. Please do that. Yes, let us start with a new topic, organization design. So organization design emphasizes the management side of organization theory. I told you, the top level management, their duty is to design the organization structure. So this design emphasizes on management side of organization theory. It is concerned with constructing and changing an organization structure. Please make a note of it. Constructing. For the first time you are drawing structure, there is a structure, you are changing in that. Both the things we do it in order to achieve our objective. Yes. So, and who taught you this organizational configuration? Please remember the name of a person who have contributed this topic. His name is Miller and Mintzberg. Miller and Mintzberg in the year 1984. Okay, argued that in designing themselves, organizations do not select separate components or attributes to fit them together in a linear manner. Rather, they tend to structure themselves around a handful of themes or gestalt. So Miller and Mintzberg says very clearly that while designing organization, people will forget to include so many important components of organization. Because of that, they will not have a proper structure. And he calls these different parts as themes, as the themes of organization or gestalt of organization. Please remember, themes or gestalt. He says each theme and each gestalt has to be taken care in order to design the organization. So an understanding of these configuration is essential for any manager to identify the options. So understanding of these configuration is very important for any manager, correct? Let it be anyone, you should know these parts, this gestalt, this theme, to identify the option he has for designing an organization. So the basis for structural or configurations given by, correct? Given by Miller and Mintzberg. Mintzberg, remember the name? Mintzberg have given the 5 gestalt or 5 themes, which are called as basis of structural configuration, where the most comprehensive and rational approach for classifying structure was proposed by Mintzberg. According to him, an organization can be seen as a composed of 5 gestalt, 5 themes, or 5 parts. There are top level, he called it as strategic effects. Middle level, he called it as operating core, strategic effects. Second one, operating core. Third one, middle line. Fourth one, technostructure. Fifth one, support staff. Children, hope you remember this. I am discussing to you with Miller and Mintzberg have given the 5 parts or 5 elements, correct, of organization. And any organization you want to draw for any company, look for the information for these 5 parts. After getting these 5 parts only, you can draw the structure according to Mintzberg. And these 5 structures are strategic effects, operating code, middle line, technostructure, and support staff. As the name says, I think by looking at that itself, you can tell what it is. So strategic and okay, let me explain you, then show you the diagram. So strategic apex means the top level management. For example, you take Reliance company, right? So Ambani's, they own the Reliance empire in our country. So they are called as strategic apex. The CEO of the company, the owner of the company, those who have brought up this company, founder of the company, we call it as strategic apex. They're the main decision makers. They're the visionary. They have vision for their business. That is why they have started their business. That is called as strategic effects. That always comes in the top level. Can you see the diagram here? The top position is the 5 basic parts of organization given by Mintzberg in a diagram looks like this. So the first one is strategic apex, which is very small, which is there in the top. Then you have middle line. Middle line is the middle level of managers. Like see, Ambani's can't take care of everything. So Ambani have formed one retail unit to take care of all retail business. Then they have a textile unit to take care of Vimal and other textiles. Then they have the telecommunication wing to take care of telecommunication business. They have different business what they have evolved, right? So that is what is called as middle line. They take care of all these businesses, and to support these businesses, they have 2 people who support them. One is called as technostructure. Technostructure are the experts. For example, in telecommunication industry, what exactly is happening? I wanted to have the full-fledged information. I can contact this technostructure, the experts in that field. They will share all these ideas with me. With that, I can excel in my business. That is called as technostructure. Along with that, I need supporting staff also. Some help I need maybe in marketing, finance, etc. So I can take their support. They are called as support staff. So that's the next, just the correct next part of the organization. When you are designing the organization, take care of this. Strategic effects, middle level, then you have lower level. Levels are 3 only. What I taught you in my first class, 3 levels of management. Names are different. Top level is called by Mintzberg as strategic effects. Middle level is called as middle line only. Lower level is called as operating core. But along with that, 2 supporting staff will be there. One is technostructure, highly knowledgeable people, and one is support staff to support their day-to-day activities. So these are the 5 things where they will be working in the organization. So these are the 5 parts given by Mintzberg, which you need to know for drawing your organization. So strategic effects, operating core, middle line, technostructure, and support staff. Hope you are able to understand that. And this is how the diagram given by Mintzberg in 1983. Now he says you have to coordinate all 5. These people are working in different verticals. So how to bring them together? So you have a coordination mechanism. Coordination mechanism is direct supervision. You have to supervise them directly. That's very, very important. Then standardization of activities. So what do you mean by standardization of activities? Like I don't want different people doing the different kinds of job. I'll say whoever join XYZ, activity should be done in this particular manner only. That is called as standardization of activities. For example, you call the customer care of Reliance, Jio or anyone, correct? If you call them, whoever picks up your call, you don't know their name. They tell their name, but will not remember. 10 times you call, 10 different people will pick up your call. But the way they talk to you is same. Because that is called standardization of activities. They have been trained in that way. Good afternoon. How they will talk? Good afternoon. I am Riya here. Yeah, tell me how can I assist you? What doubts you have? So same thing they will ask you. That is called standardization of activities. Then standardization of skills. Skills, all of us are the abilities. Skill is the ability what we possess. And I say God have not made 5 fingers equally. So 5 people are also not equal in their capabilities. Each one of them, their capability difference is there. So, but anyhow, when people are, for example, you have Manipal Hospital, all the doctors are working in Manipal Hospital, we want the same talent they should have. same skill they should have. So people are working on standardization of skills so that people don't ask for a particular doctor and come. Many people, if they come, any doctor is fine, they should say. So that is what is called as standardization of skill. Very difficult to do, but we are working on that. So that's very important to coordinate the activities. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Then standardization of output. The output should be same. For example, you see Sunsilk shampoo is being made in crores of packets together, but same packets, no difference at all. That is what is called as standardization of output. If Sunsilk shampoo, today you bought one is different, tomorrow you buy is different, then you say it is fake product, right? That much standardization we look for. So standardization of output. Then mutual adjustment. Each one of them have to adjust and accordingly they have to carry on their work. So that is what we have under Henry Mintzberg. These are the 5 coordination mechanisms given by them. So 5 parts, 5 coordination mechanisms given by Mintzberg and 5 types of organization. All 5. Henry Mintzberg have given 5 parts, 5 coordination mechanism and 5 types of organization. What are the types of organization? One is very simple structure, very simple, like line structure. One is machine bureaucracy structure, where more technology is used. Third is professional bureaucratic structure, where a lot of professionals are being employed. Next is divisional form. I explained you divisional form, based on product, based on process, or based on market, based on customer. Then adhocracy. Correct? Adhocracy is based upon the requirement what you are forming the organization structure. These are the 5 types of structure given by Mintzberg. And you can see this screen. So how all these are connected. 5 parts are put in the center, key parts of organization. Then coordination mechanism I put here. And see, direct supervision is there, strategic effects is there, simple structure, small organization, top level management only doing everything. Standardization of activities is there, lot of technology is there, machine bureaucracy. Standardization of skill is there and lot of operating core is there, that is doctors or lawyers. It's called as professional bureaucracy. A standardization of output, middle line is very important and they go for divisional form. Mutual adjustment, they go for support staff. So they try to perform and create standardization in the organization that will give rise to adhocracy. So that's all I have today, students. Hope you understood the organization design concept given by Miller and Mintzberg in the year 1983. They have talked about the 5 key part of the organization, 5 coordination mechanisms and 5 configurations. Hope you are able to understand that. Any organization you join, while drawing the organization, please collect data about all these things, then the organization can be drawn. So that is what Henry Mintzberg is of, that is what, that is what the concept given by Mintzberg. So lot of criticism have happened to this concept and lot of appreciation is also there for this concept. It is debated a lot but remains as one of the very important concepts in management. Whole goes based upon the situation. Yes, hope you have learned the concept. This ends the chapter organization. The 3rd chapter in management comes to an end today. That is an organization. So hope you understood. So please subscribe to my channel to learn the other modules as well, because full principles of management I am going to teach you in one in one playlist itself. All videos I'll be loading there. So till then, please like my videos, watch my videos, share my videos, write comments and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye.